Hey boo, how you guys doing? Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna do the unboxing of the Makartt Polygel kit. Look what you get. Okay, you get the base and top coat. You get a spatula and a file. Don't it look so cute? I know. And then you get the dual form instruction and nail surface cleaner. Look at these colors. Oh my gosh, I love 842, and this is what they look like swatch. Yes. So let's get our nail pusher, our cuticle pusher, and let's push back our cuticles. Please do not judge my fingernails. I'm about to explain what happened in a hot 2 seconds, okay? Then you get your little cuticle bit and you go around the cuticle. Make sure it's parallel because you don't want to dig in your nails. Okay, so let me tell you what happened, girl. So I decided that I was going to go out and I wanted to look cute. And in order for me to look cute, I had to put on some press-on nails. So that's what's on my finger, which is glue, okay? Because my cuticles ain't that jacked up. It's a little bit, but not that much, okay? So do not judge my fingers, okay? Okay, I'm glad we got that understand. And guess what, you guys? Guess what? Guess whose birthday is in like 2 days? Yes, Team Aquarius, me. Guess how old she's gonna be? Whoop whoop. Okay, so this is what my nails look like after I did the cuticle. Then we're gonna get our sanding band. Now, if you're afraid of like cutting yourself, you can just like etch the surface. I mean, like etch the side, because that's what I do. Because I get afraid. I don't know why, but I still do. Judge me not. Judge me not. Do all your fingers. That's what they look like afterwards. Now we get ready to prep and prime. I know this went by kind of fast, but yeah. I'm special. Do not mind me. Okay, so we're about to get into the marbling, okay? So take all 3 colors, get your base coat, put the base coat on the spatula. Now, okay, this is what I was thinking about. I love acrylic, right? But polygel it's sticky for me. So I was like, how am I going to loosen up this polygel so I can actually do like a marble with it? Because I feel like you need it loosen to really like move it around. So I was like, let's mix it with base coat, because that's what like you need it, because you need like a slip solution when you do a polygel. And I believe you can also use alcohol, but I wouldn't recommend using alcohol because alcohol dries things out. So I was like, I don't know. But this is basically what you want it to look like after you done mixing all 3 colors, okay? And now you just kind of want to go in and seeing that it's like loose and it's not as sticky. I mean, it's still sticky, don't get it twisted, but it's way more movable. That's what it is. Now that it's movable, guess what, baby? Guess what? We get to move it around. Look how like it's so easy moving it around this way. Now, okay, some things that I will suggest. Okay, so if you're going to use the peel off system, basically is what I showed you in the clip before. I was a little scared that maybe the polygel will pull it off because I guess it's like sticky, but that didn't happen. 2, try not to use a lot of product. 3, we are not building the structure. We're just laying down like the design. So don't put like a lot of stuff down, and try not to like over mix, because eventually it might like turn into like one color. So like, you know, once you get a little marble design going on, boom, that's it, okay? And then I would recommend, you saw me put my finger in the UV light. Now, baby, let me tell you, I do not know if it was because I mixed a whole bunch of base coat in that, but when I say my finger was on fire, that's what I mean. I know there was like a little flash period and all that good stuff, but no, child, when I say my finger was on fire, that's what I mean. Okay, don't judge me. Now, we hopping onto these regular fingers. Okay, let me talk to you about this. Now, I am not really that experienced with polygel, right? But I was determined, because polygel, the stickiness is what like discourages me. But I'm like, listen, we're going to make it work for me, okay? Because that's just what we do over here. So I was like, okay, cool, bet. So I was like, I took the lid off of the polygel, and I was like, I'm not the lid off the polygel. I took the lid off of the base coat, and I'm like, I'm going to make this work for me. So I put the polygel basically where only on like the tip of the extension, because we're going to work in sections. And then I'm like, cool, I'm just going to act like this is acrylic, but it's not. So, you know, I was wiping my brush and it didn't really work, but hey, whatever. And then I was dipping it in the base coat, because I'm just like, listen, this stickiness is the part that just gets me. But it was easy to work with after I got the, you know, the base coat and all that good stuff. And definitely work in small sections. A little bit goes a long way. And that's what I've learned, okay? Then put it in the UV light, and then boom, hit the back section. it is the easiest thing. And then, you know, you want to kind of like build the structure, like the apex, because that's what keeps the nail on in a sense. So yeah, it's like after I like, okay, breaking it down in sections and then like kind of doing it where it's like you dip the brush in the base coat. Now granted, it may not be the most this I'm only using it on myself, so if that's what you're gonna do, then I guess you don't have to worry about too much of sanitary issues. I don't know. I'm just giving you my suggestions on what worked for me. So basically, we're gonna do all 5 fingers because I only did one hand, and then I wait after I did, you know, my colorful fingers. Then I went back and did the clear. Now you may be asking, like, Asia, why did you do the 2 marble fingers first and then the other colors? Oh, I'm glad that you asked. Okay, so basically, all the colors were pretty. I'm not really a dark blue kind of girl, but I was like, okay, whatever. But I didn't want to have to do the other like the solid color and it not match with the marble. So I decided to do the marble first and see what color complemented the marble. And I felt like the light blue 842 did that. Okay, so I basically apply my polygel. Now before you file, make sure you wipe off that sticky layer after you put your nails in the UV light, because if not, it's just going to be sticky when you file. Trust me when I say that, okay? And now, baby, when I say I was filing for days, okay, listen, hold on. You can use the file that comes with this kit, but no, I said I'm going to get an 80 grit file because she got to put some elbow grease into these nails because I'm like, listen, we got to get the shape down. No, sometimes when you do a polygel, at least for me, you can lose the shape. And I'm like, I'm not about to lose this shape. No, ma'am, no, sir. So I was putting like elbow grease in. I used the hand file. I got that bit from Amazon. I can try to find it and link it down below. And the drill also is from Makartt. What do you know? It's a double. Oh my gosh, 2 times a 2-for-1 special. What? Anyway, okay, so that's funny. I really didn't even think about that. I was just like, let me name off some stuff. Oh, Makartt 2 times. Anyways, so then after I like filed it down, like made it so it's not lumpy and like not thick, then I kind of like went on the tip to like sharpen up I guess you could say the tip. That's what you would call it. Yeah. And then in my head, you're not supposed to file like up and down because it leaves lines. So I was trying to do it side to side. That didn't work out, so I said forget it. So this is what the nails look like after everything. And now we're about to add the top coat. I know you're like, Asia, this went by super fast. Well, girl, I didn't want to waste your time. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to take up too much of your precious time. I wanted to be short, sweet, and straight to the point. Hang like them apples. Okay, so now you guys, this is the end of the video, but let's talk about the B-Day, okay? She is turning the big 2-9. Not the 3-0, the 2-9. I know she is getting oh my gosh. So listen, I was watching a TikTok video and it was like something like basically let me see your ID, and it was like, oh no, I could see the 1 from here. And I was like, the 1. I was like, oh, there really are people born in the 2s. I was like, wow, I'm getting old. I know I'm corny, I know, but I was like, wow, like that was really a shocker. I don't even feel like I'm getting old, but I definitely am. Okay, look at these nails. Look at these nails. Ooh. It gives me like dream vibes. Okay, so here's a little sidebar note. I wanted to be a singer one time, and something like 2 of my friends were twins, and we wanted to start a group, and what is called like Blue Angels. And this is the vibe that it's giving. Okay, it's giving me clouds, Blue Angel vibes. Yes, dream on, keep your dreams big, things of that nature. That's what this is giving me. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.